In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a booklet in Canva. We'll start right from the Canva homepage. Open Canva, head to the Templates area, and get yourself on the main template gallery. This is the best place to browse ready-made designs that already have pages set up and styled for you. In the search bar, type booklet to pull up booklet templates. You'll see a variety of themes and layouts. Pick any preset that fits your purpose, something that matches your content and the tone you're going for. When you've found one you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, begin by changing the preset text. Click on the text boxes and replace the sample copy with your own details. Type a new title or name for your booklet to make the cover yours. You can use the toolbar at the top to adjust font, size, spacing, and color, so the style suits your message while staying readable. Next, tidy up the layout. Delete any text or images you don't need by selecting them and pressing Delete. If the template includes a placeholder image, you can replace it or remove it entirely. To add your own visuals, open the Uploads panel on the left. Upload your images, then drag an image onto the existing photo frame on the canvas. It will snap in to replace the preset photo automatically. Move on to page 2 and continue customizing. Change the page title by double-clicking the text and typing your own words. If you want to tweak the look further, adjust the font, design accents, or colors using the same toolbar controls, keeping consistency with your cover. If the template has more pages than you need, remove the extras. At the top of each page, click Delete to keep your booklet concise. Then browse to the other pages you plan to keep and repeat the same process. Open the Uploads panel, replace the preset images by dragging yours onto the frames, and update any placeholder text with your content. Work your way through every page until all stock elements have been swapped out. When everything is in place, make final adjustments. Align text boxes, check spacing, and ensure headings, body text, and colors are consistent from page to page. Zoom in for a quick proofread and a visual scan so nothing feels off balance. And that's it. Your booklet is fully customized in Canva, ready for your audience.